Alright, hi everybody, it's me Sam again, and today is May 19th, 2026, and I decided to get a video of my air conditioner running. I turned it on last Sunday, because it was in the 80s, 88, 90, we have some nice temperatures coming up, and as you see it's windy, guys. So I decided to take a video of my air conditioner running. So it's on right now. It's working awesome, amazingly. Yeah, we also started up my Nani's and Papa's air conditioner. Their Carrier Comfort air conditioner. This is Carrier, made by Payne. And yeah, it's been a few years. This thing is 6 years old now. And it is 88 degrees out right now. It feels like 84 to me. It's nice and hot. I like it. So as you know, it's a Carrier. It's on. Copeland scroll compressor. Motor is hot. There it is down there. Some energy guide, we can't forget that. Energy guide sticker. Suction line is nice and cold. That one's outdoor temperature. It's from 2019. It's a 3.5 ton. Working very good. Working amazing. It's working amazing. Guys, we're gonna go on and head in and see the thermostat. Alright guys, so we're inside right now. We got the thermostat, 75 in here. It's 5:08. It's 5:08 p.m. It's Tuesday. Cool on, the thermostat says. Of course, right over here we have 75, cool on. We have my little thermometer, 76.1. 76.1. Got my skunkies over here. They're both named Skunky. This one's the bigger brother and this one's the little brother. They're both having my red squishy. They're both playing with it. And this is the tripod stand I might use to keep it with me. Yeah. Gonna go back out. Yeah, keep this over here just in case. Just in case. See how perfect it is. Super perfect. Yeah, it seems like it's running right now. I believe yesterday was the hottest, 89. Felt like 91 or 90. Gotta get that out. Here it's running. Very good unit. It's lasted for a long time. I really appreciate this lovely unit. And guys, yeah, I'll probably get a video when it shuts off, probably. Yeah, I hope I can get it to turn. I hope I get this shut down a bit. Yeah, maybe the startup. Should probably take a few minutes. So guys, I'm gonna go on and pause the video real quick. So yeah, meet you in the next one, guys. Okay guys, I just set the phone here. And yeah, I'm gonna go check on the thermostat inside. Guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna pause the video for just a minute, so why don't you guys wait? Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. There's a tripod. I had you guys set it on. I had the camera set it on. By the way guys, my birthday's coming up. It's on Thursday. It's May 21st, 2016. Yeah, my birthday is close. Thursday is it. The 21st. Guys, I don't have a GoPro. I have an Android phone on here. I'm recording on right now. It's running pretty good. I just put it in 1x mode. I like to keep it in times 06. Yeah, guys. Thank you for all of you, my wonderful subscribers, and everybody of you out there that have a YouTube account and that don't have a YouTube account. So, yeah, guys. At least I'm just taking a video out here enjoying the nice weather. Probably gonna shut off soon. Where's the tripod? That's not a tripod, it's like a stand, a phone stand. Can you guys see the air conditioner in the breaker box? You can. Oh, it was close. It feels cold over here because of the line sense, guys. That's why it feels cold over here. This black thing runs the wires. Hang on, guys. Let's go over here. You see those wires coming out of the compressor? They go over to here, connecting up, going into here, and then going back into here. And then go back into that. And then they go back into that. I don't know if this is a little scratch. Yeah, as well as I hope it turns off. Yeah, as well as it can see great on the breaker box. I always set it up here sometimes. It's a better view, I think. Well, I might set it on the breaker box. Might over here on the fence. Might right here, if it stands, if it be able to stand. Maybe right here. Maybe over here would be a perfect spot. Yeah, I don't know. By the way, there's under the deck. The dryer vent is over there by those barrels. There's one red one and two blue ones. Yeah, I don't know if I said this, but it's got a Copeland squirrel. Emerson's Copeland squirrel. So guys, over here, remember this air conditioner unit? I bought a big Lasco fan. This doesn't work over here. I bought a big Lasco fan and we're gonna try to hang it with strong zip ties under here, and the compressor is just gonna be there. And then it's gonna try to spin the fan blades. Like, look what I mean, guys. Like, it's gonna spin the fan blades. It's gonna blow up and spin them. Do you see this? These need oil. Watch how it stops. It stops not that well. So yeah, it needs oil. Hope I didn't miss it turn off. Still running. video right now. I'm just gonna go check how cold it is inside right now. These shit. I'm back. Sorry for me being long. I'm back. Here it is back. I'm back out here. Hope I can be able to shut off before I have to give the phone back. It's like a pressure rusty. Not that much. Feels hot right here. Probably because of that. Yeah, this part of it is shaking. Sounds good. And if I let it go. Yeah. Line is very cold. It's outdoor temperature. What's the tonnage? February 2019. 2019 it says. This thing is running because it's hot. I think it almost shut off. Just hope it shuts off. Theirs just turned on. I literally heard it. And which means, I don't know, ours might shut off. This video has been recording for 18 minutes and 22 seconds right now. It's been running for 18 minutes. It's been running for about like 20 minutes now. I hope I can get the video of it turning off. Finally. There's the line sign. Looks cold. That one looks like outdoor temperature. Here's the internet line. God, that's freezing. The internet line. God, it's dripping. Nice and cold. So guys, yeah, I guess, bye guys.